We're gonna be trying to make those cute little Pinterest rings out of polymer clay. Today we're gonna be doing some crafty DIY YouTuber shit. We're gonna be trying to make those cute little Pinterest rings out of polymer clay because I do not want to spend like 100 euros on a freaking piece of jewelry. I got this $12 kit from Amazon. I think we can do this ourselves and save like a buttload of money. I think I should also state that this is my second time filming this video. The first time I did this, I actually made the rings. They turned out pretty well too. I just happened to burn them a little bit. Honestly, it's not even my fault. It's literally because of the stupid American measurement system. I don't know why this country feels the need to use Fahrenheit. Like, just use Celsius like literally everyone else. Whatever, long story short, the rings I made were trash because they burned. I'm remaking them now. Look at all the colors that we have. Oh God, I'm already getting like nightmares from the last time I tried doing this. When I first started this, I thought it was gonna be so easy. I was like, oh my God, like these people make it look really easy. And then I tried it for myself and it did not turn out as I hoped it would. It's a lot harder than it looks. So if you're gonna try to do this, just keep that in mind. It's my 18th birthday coming up. I'm quite excited, but I'm also really scared because I don't want to get older. I feel like when I was younger, I was very much like, oh my God, I just want to be old. Like I just want to grow up already. But now that I am getting a little bit older, it's like, no, there's nothing fun about getting old. It's just more responsibilities. I think that's what we took for granted as kids. The lack of responsibility and the lack of like just anxiety. So if you are around the age of, I don't know, like 12 or something, just be really grateful. I also want to get myself a nice little birthday gift. You know, I'm turning 18, it's a big birthday, but I just don't know what to get myself. Like, what should I get myself? I don't know. Like jewelry. I really want to, I was gonna say like, I really want to get a ring that I can just wear all the time as I'm making a ring. Obviously this is not gonna be a ring that I wear all the time. I don't think it is, but we're gonna try to make it one. Guys, this ring is kind of turning out ugly. I don't know what to do. I got my nails done for the first time, I think in over a year, and I literally feel like a girl. I did not feel like a girl before. You know when you just like put effort into looking good and then it actually pays off and you're like, oh shit, I do feel better. That's what happened to me. I actually feel like put together and ready to take over the world, which was kind of cool. I don't always feel that way. I would recommend getting your nails done often. I see why it's so addicting.
Hello.
Hello.
How are you?
I'm making these rings, but they're turning out very ugly.
Do you need help?
Yeah, do you want to help me? Is it kind of ugly?
Little bit.
How do I make it not ugly?
Yeah?
Oh, it's a family party. This is the room. This is the hangout room.
Look good.
Just looks like a piece of chicken. Oh shit. Oh my God. My mom got a cacao like plant, like the, what is it, a fruit? Like the actual thing. There are seeds inside the plant.
It was delicious.
The seeds?
Yeah.
Oh my God, dude. I'm not even kidding. The seeds of this plant literally looks like fetuses, like a fetus. And she put it like in a bowl on the kitchen and I was like, whose children are these? Like, what is this? It was so disgusting. Oh my God, we've made 20 rings thus far. They look so cute. The colors, everything is freaking adorable. Now we need to cook these for like 15 minutes. I'm gonna make sure to get the temperature right this time. I love the colors. They're so freaking cute. My mom is literally still making them. I think she really likes it. She just keeps making them. Are you kidding? Ah! Bye bye. We're back from the oven. I cooked these for about 15 minutes or like 20 minutes. And when I first took them out, they were kind of soft. So I was like, oh, maybe they're not done. But then I realized they might be soft because it just got out of the oven. So I let them cool and they're still kind of like squishy. They're not rock hard, but they are like pretty stiff, you know what I mean? So I don't know. Is it supposed to be kind of squishy? I think we're just gonna get started with the decorating because I'm kind of impatient. This may be a bad idea. Maybe I should just wait, or maybe I should put it in a little bit longer, but I don't care. I enjoyed this. This was kind of therapeutic, not gonna lie. Like, if you just have music playing in the background and if you're doing this with like your friend or your mom, because you know, I don't really have friends, so I just do stuff with my mom instead. This is like a fun activity for the gals. Back. I just finished decorating and Mod Podging. Is that even a verb? Can I use that as a verb? Some of them have dried, some of them are still kind of wet and I need to wait for them to completely cool down before like I can put them on and try them on. But oh my God, this turned out so much better than I expected. Oh my God. These rings are such great conversation starters because they look funky. And if someone notices your ring, they're like, oh my God, that's so cool. Like, where'd you get this? And you can be like, I made them using clay. And there, you got like a conversation going right there. So if you have social anxiety, I would really recommend these rings. It's honestly fun. Like, it's therapeutic to make them. And it's great conversation starters. And you get a cute ring out of it and you save so much money. Honestly, it's just like a win overall. Like, I don't see a disadvantage to doing this. Okay, well, come on, dry man. I want to put you guys on and show them. Come on. Guys, we just made that. Like, shit was a blast and a half. Really recommend this. Great project to do with your friends. Honestly, like 10 out of 10. Thank you guys so much for watching. I love you so much and I will see you guys next week. Bye guys.